Yo, what's up? This your boy International O back at it with another one. I'm out here trying to live up to my name, you know what I'm saying? So we got another one here as part of the International collection. If you go on my YouTube channel, you can see I did the video of the International threes when they dropped. And like I said, I'm just out here trying to live up to the name. So we're gonna do one more here, and then we might actually have another one real soon, early release. So let's get to it. You know what this is. And this boxes, that's one thing I hate about wearing a size 13, man. These boxes be looking huge. Look at this box, man. Look how big this box looks. This box is huge. Can't even fit in the camera, man. It's crazy. As you can see, size 13. So I know you've probably seen countless videos of this. If you haven't, then cool. But if you have, my bad. You know what I'm saying? But here we go. International fives. Yo. Yeah. This leather. Honestly, I thought it was just gonna be like the smooth leather, but this tumble leather sets this shoe off. So you know I gotta say it. Just off the strength of the tumble leather on here, man. These joints are hard. Like for real. I know a lot of people, the hype beasts, pass on them because they're general release or whatever they thought they were. Man, I don't care about any of that shit. Like, I'm just being 100% honest with you. I don't care about hype, resale, none of that. If a shoe is hard, a shoe is hard. I don't care about resale. This joint is hard. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. This leather and then it's sale. And that's why I wanted these, man, because I knew they wasn't gonna be like the plain white color. I knew they were gonna have sale, so it's gonna have like a cream to it. Even the laces have that cream to it, man. I rock with these. Honestly, hell, I might put some orange laces in these joints and see how they look with some orange laces or the blue laces. Let me know what y'all think, man. I think I'm gonna go with some orange laces. I might leave them like they are. These laces are hard. Got the 3M tongue as usual. You might see it in 3M because I think I can see the reflection of 3M on the tongue, man. These joints are nice, man. If you didn't buy these, I'm sure they still available because I love the smell of fives. They still sitting. But if you didn't get them, man, I ain't gonna lie. You cheating yourself. These joints are hard. You cheating yourself if you didn't get these. If you're not a five guy, fine. If you like fives and passed on all them general release, that International, they sitting, whatever. Or if you waiting on the price to drop, that's fair too. Either or, these are hard. There's no other way to explain it. They hard, man. These are hard. And you know, I wear a 13. I ain't usually big on white shoes, but I rock with these. These are hard. And hell, I might even go get me a Knicks jersey. I'm not even a Knicks fan. I ain't gonna lie. I be buying jerseys if they go with my kicks. I don't care what team it is. I might go get like I don't rock with Patrick Ewing. I might go find an old Melo jersey or a Allen Houston. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. But these are nice, man. Retail $190. Go get these. They're sitting at your store probably. Go get these. Don't let anybody fool you. I don't care about that GR bullshit talk. Go cop these. You will not regret copping these. This tumbled leather, this cream sail color. Beautiful. This shoe is beautiful. Go cop these. Don't play. Cop them. For real. Nothing else to be said. Cop them. I'm out. Hard.